Class, we have studied about insertion and deletion is a singly linked list at start, at last, and at successive position. Now, here we are also talking about a new list that is called the circular linked list. The same operation I have to perform in the circular linked list. Now, a circular linked list is one in which the last node is pointing the first node. The last node is pointing the first. Okay? So this is the circular linked list. So how to perform insertion and deletion? So while insertion, two cases may arise. First case, when the list is empty. Whenever the list is empty, this case will run. Now what this case will do, it will create a node, store the value here, and temp is storing the address of this node. Let's suppose the address of node is the 5000. So 5000 will be stored in this block. So 5000 will be stored in this block and it will start pointing. Later, temp ka next will start pointing this node. Because in the case of single linked list, in order to make it circular, the 5000 must be also stored here. The node must point itself, self-pointing node. Okay. The else case is telling that whenever we are interested in storing the node at start in the circular link and pointer is pointing the first node, we have to shift this. Initially, it is pointing the first node. We have to, the pointer must be shift here. With the help of this while loop and this syntax, the loop will be, the node will be shifted, the PTR will be shifted to the last of it. Again, PTR ka next is temp. Now PTR ka next is this portion. So it will start pointing this node. Let's suppose the node is newly created node, temp is created at 5000 address, so 5000 will be stored here. So it will start pointing this node. Okay. Now again, in the second case, temp ka next is equals to pointer of it. Let's suppose the node is 1000, so 1000 will be stored here. So whenever we store 1000 here, this node will start pointing this first. And finally, temp means 5000 is updated here, so 5000 will be updated here and it will start pointing. So using this case, we can insert the node at the front in the circular node. So it is very easy. The first case is for the when the list is empty, the insertion will be done in this thing. When the list is not empty, the insertion will be done in. Okay. Second scenario, insertion of node at the last. Whenever we are trying to insert the node at the last, what we have to do? First case, when the list is empty, obviously when the list is empty, let's suppose this is the node. So newly created node will start pointing this node and this is the way, same way as we have done in previous. So this code will not be changed. As previous, I have done, this code is similar to the previous code. Okay. But in the last case, what we'll do, let's suppose we want to insert the node at the last. This is temp. So we will make our PTR pointing from this PTR is pointing initially at the first node, it will start pointing the last node. We'll shift our pointer to the last node. So with the help of this case, we'll shift our pointer to the last node. Okay. Again, PTR ka next is equals to temp. Means PTR ka next is equals to, it will start pointing this node with the first thing. PTR ka next is this portion. This is equals to temp means the address of temp is stored here, so it will start pointing. In the second case, what we are doing, temp ka next, we are making it as head. So temp ka next is head. Head is pointing first node. So when we'll contain 100 here, so 100 address will be addressed by this pointer. So in this way, we'll place the node at the last. So this is the case for the placing the node. Now insertion at some specific position, I will send you the code, and what you have to do, you have to go thoroughly through it, and you have to understand it by yourself, that how to insert the node at this time. Okay. Now deletion of node in the circular linked list. Insertion we have studied, so I'm going to now, in order to delete the node, three cases may arise. First, when node is empty itself, means start is null. Second, when the node has single variable, that is single node. And third, the node has two or more than two nodes. So let's see the first case. If the node is null itself, this is the case one. So underflow, because we cannot delete any node, because there is not a single node in the list. Now, if the node is pointing the same node, means the node has only single linked list, single node. The list has only single node, so it will lie in the second case. So what we'll do? Let's suppose PTR is pointing this node. We are making this free, means we are deallocating this node. This node will be deleted, and we'll make this null. So with this syntax, I'm making this null. Now in the third case, this node is pointing this. How to delete the node at the start? So in order to delete a node at the start, what we are doing here, let's see. PTR is this pointer. We'll shift the PTR to the last node. This node is pointing this node in the circular linked list. So PTR ka next will be pointer of head ka next. So PTR ka next is this. Now pointer ka head. Pointer of head is what indicating? It is indicating the first node. And pointer ka next means we are talking about the second node. So we are storing the pointer of head of next in PTR ka next. Means instead of pointing first node, PTR will start pointing second. So this syntax is for pointing the second node in the list. Now pointer of head is pointing the first node, because pointer of head and PTR is same initially. So pointer of head is pointing the first node. So free pointer of head, because pointer of head, let's suppose pointer of head is indicating 1000. So free 1000. So this node will be deleted. And finally, the pointer of head, not here start, the pointer of head. The pointer of head is equals to PTR connect. PTR connect. PTR connect also. Okay. So pointer of head is equals to PTR connect. Now what is the PTR connect? PTR connect is pointing the second node. So we are talking about the second node. So pointer of head means this portion will store the address in this. So this node will be finally. So this is how we will delete the node in the from the start in the circular linked list. The second case, again the three conditions. First, when start is null. Second, when start ka next is null, means pointer is pointing the start ka next is not null. Sorry, start ka next is head ka next is equals to head means this. Now third, more than one node in the circular linked list. Now delete last. So in the first case, overflow condition. In the second case, when head ka next is pointing head itself, means we have a single node. So PTR is pointing this node. Make PTR free means delete this PTR and make it null because this will become empty. Now in the else case, we are talking about this node. So what we'll do? We'll make PTR pointing to the last node. Two variables I have taken. एक PTR का free. So PTR with these two loops, what we are trying to do, we are trying that PTR will point to the last node and pre-PTR will point the previous node to the last node. So we have to delete this node. So in order to do this, we have to, what we have to do? Pre-PTR ka next will start pointing head, not head asterisk of head. So what will happen? This will start point the first. Now finally when it start pointing first node, we can make it free. So free PTR. So this way we can delete the node. So this is all about the deletion in the circular linked list. Again, in this scenario also, the deletion at the specific position, I will send you the code and you have to understood it by yourself by making the conditions. I will send you the code and you have to elaborate the code by executing each and every condition. Okay?